Who Dormont is. Proud to be a world-class American manufacturer, located outside of Pittsburgh in Export, PA. We make what we sell. We are the benchmark. Rapid prototyping for new designs. On-time delivery with short lead times. Manufacturing for over 70 years. Unparalleled USA-based customer service and technical support. The industry authority for flexible gas connectors. What Dormont has invented. The commercial food service gas connector, the blue hose. The stainless steel gas connector. Flex tube engineered solutions. FlowPro MD Smart and connected gas flow and pressure measurement system. Why this matters. Unsurpassed quality from domestically sourced products. We build it as if it is going into our own home. Culture of continuous improvement. Over 160 million safe gas connectors installed. #1 industry specified gas connectors. ISO 9001:2015 certified. Every gas connector is 100% leak tested.